Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. For today, I'm taking you to another shopping adventure. We're going to Louis Vuitton to check out the new Crafty collection. It was launched on Friday and I immediately went to check it out. And I was honestly so lucky. I completely forgot about the launch of the new collection, but I happened to be in town and I sent a message to my SA asking about the bag that I ordered. I mentioned it a couple of times already and she said no, but we have the new collection. Would you like to come by and see it? And of course I had a 30-minute slot and I went in there to check it out and I'm about to share it with you. Before I do that, I want to mention the t-shirt I'm wearing today. This is from Angie Baby and it says Quarantine Class of 2020. Their t-shirts are so on point, and if you haven't heard of them, if you haven't seen any of their designs, I'm gonna leave a link to their website in the description box. You should definitely check them out, and you can also use code BonjourAika for 5% off your entire order. How amazing. I have also realized that a lot of you watching my videos aren't subscribed to my channel for some reason, and I wonder why, because I put out new content every Thursday and Sunday and I take you shopping with me. I show you new collections, I film a lot of unboxing videos, a lot of reviews. So if you love this content, then definitely subscribe to my channel. I am also kind of close to 10k. I mean, July has been such an amazing month for me. I gained over 3,000 subscribers, which is insane for the size of my channel, and hopefully we'll get to 10k within the next month. Fingers crossed. And I'm already thinking about the giveaway. And I checked out the Crafty collection and there were two particular items that I thought would be nice as a giveaway prize, but at the same time I'm still not sure when I'll hit 10k, so maybe that collection won't be that trendy or popular anymore, and I just wanted to know your opinion before I purchase anything for the giveaway. Would you like to get something classic, like something in the monogram, or I was even thinking about the Chanel card holder. I don't have one, so I can't really tell if it's worth it, but I'm pretty sure it is because it's Chanel. So just let me know what would be the perfect giveaway price for you guys in the comments below. I would love to get your opinion because this is something I'm gonna be giving away to you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. Also, very quickly about the Crafty collection, I am personally not a huge fan of this collection because it is a little bit too busy for me. It has too many elements, too many colors, and it's just too much for my liking. I like everything more or less monochromatic when it comes to handbags or my accessories. I know I really love the Escal collection, but because they used the pastel colors, they were very neutral, very soft, and this collection, I'm just not a huge fan of those colors, especially those colors combined together. But I did like a couple of ready-to-wear pieces. There was one particular item that I fell in love with, but it has this tiny little hole in the front, and you know, when you spend so much money on ready-to-wear pieces from brands like Louis Vuitton or Chanel or Dior, you expect it to be perfect. So I want to order the same item but new, if that's possible. I'm gonna talk to my SA. Again, as I said, I didn't have a lot of time. I only had 30 minutes to go through the whole collection, see everything. I was in a rush. And then on Saturday, it was actually the Swiss national holiday, so everything was closed. Today is Sunday when you're watching this video, so I might contact my SA tomorrow and see if she can order one for me, like a new item. We'll see about that. But for now, enjoy the video. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a little, slightly bigger than a wallet on a chain. Check this out, the never falls. And here's the new pochette tees. So cute. looks like a new huge travel bag. It's so huge. This is really cool. And it's all leather. trying this t-shirt, and it is kind of cool. This one is in size small, but I don't think I need a bigger size, to be honest. I think it's good. So what do you guys think? And here is the second one, and I think I like this one better than the other one. The front part is in this satin material, and then the back is in the regular cotton, and it's really cute. I hope you enjoyed the video. What was your favorite item? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!